Alright, here we go with a barrel test for my next restore. This restore is for Ross. It's a TN-27 5 horsepower 1952. And I got it all laid out, all rebuilt, all put together. Brought her out here on the lake and put her in the barrel, and she started right up. She runs great, but there is a problem. Water is coming out of this hole right here. So this head cover is bad. It's going to need to be changed. It's pumping water and keeping the engine cool, but it needs to follow that last path and come out somewhere on the lower unit here. So I'm gonna crank it up and just run it for a second. I've used my power meter on it, and it don't get no hotter than 150 degrees. So technically I could leave it like this, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna replace that head cover. I hope I can get all the bolts off of it without breaking. So let me see if I can start it up for you and show you where the water's coming out. See the water coming out of there? Well, it did get above 200. 168. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna document replacing this head cover on this beautiful motor for Ross. If everybody's ready, here we go. This will be episode 1. Episode 2 will come out when I get the head cover and replace it. See y'all. Hey, you want to win a free prize? That's right, T Mike's giving away free prizes. All you got to do is go to T Mike's website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. The link is below, and find the link for T Mike's trivia quiz. There'll be a trivia quiz question on there, all about vintage outboard motors. Just answer the question and click submit, and at the end of the month put your name in the hat, make a drawing. Whoever's got the first correct answer wins a prize for that month. All right, on the farm also, when you get there, at the bottom it's got a section for a message. It says talk about your vintage outboard motor or your experience with T Mike. So if you want to put some personal details down there, I might read a few of them out during the live stream. So win your monthly free prize, no cost. Just go to T Mike's website, tmikevintageoutboard.com, click on T Mike's trivia quiz, and answer the question. Here we go. I enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s. 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride, and remember, always remember and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.